Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to reject incoming call from lock screen on Android. So what you have to gonna do, I think you will have to just simply go to the phone settings. So when it's open this phone settings, you will scroll down to find additional settings. So you will find the accessibilities, and there is you can scroll down and you will see the option is power button to end call. Press power button to end call. You will just turn it on. So now you will just click to the power button when call is coming and it will be rejected. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.